There are 5 crypto coins that we're going to take a look at that can potentially 10x your investment or even more. That's exactly what we'll be talking about today. We're going to take a look at a trend that everybody appeared to have forgotten about now. Now these 5 altcoins are what we'll be investigating. And we'll make an assessment as to what might transpire with them throughout the upcoming bull run, since I believe that there may be a small area that could yield some truly amazing profit. Therefore, you don't want to skip anything in this video. But also keep in mind that none of these videos is intended to be financial advice. We're just discussing our experienced viewpoints on the crypto industry with you guys. Don't invest in something solely due to a guy you don't know online talking about it. You won't be able to succeed in making money, especially in the long term in this industry by doing that. You must conduct independent research. To be able to make wise choices when concluding your own research, videos like these have to be your initial research step, not the conclusion. Now, let's get started. The cryptocurrency market seems promising thus far. It's possible that the next phase of the bull run is about to begin. But I do believe there will be a great deal more hardship in the future. Therefore, keep that in mind and be ready. We won't just launch into a bull run right away, so don't anticipate that. But the focus of today's video will be crypto launchpads, which aren't getting much attention at the moment, since there is a lack of enough token launches that attract a lot of attention. However, there have been a few in recent times that have excelled greatly. Some other performances weren't as good. However, the fact that several investors have made a lot of money using launchpads during the previous bull run is the reason I believe this specific subject and sector can create a lot more millionaires. Yes, those were some crazy gains. In essence, a launchpad allows you the chance to invest in a cryptocurrency before it goes live. As a result, you will already be paying less than at the initial launch when it is released to the general public. And by doing so, you'll be able to generate those earnings ahead of schedule. And we'll be discussing 5 of them. These platforms all function quite similarly. To be able to participate in the initiatives that the platform develops and launches, you must own the platform's cryptocurrency. You hold some cryptocurrency, and you typically stake it on the platform. This provides you the chance to invest bigger amounts in launches that the platform is conducting. You may therefore research each launch to determine which ones you want to participate in. Make a choice after that, and if you wish, invest. And I believe that during the upcoming bull run, this might be highly rewarding. Number 1 on the list, Polkastarter. They have only increased by 15% since the day they launched, or roughly 15% since it began. Very fascinating information is presented here. An all-time high of $7.51 would give you about a 20x increase today. Furthermore, based on their website, this is a launchpad that is located across a number of various chains and has capital raise options on all the major blockchain networks. So far, 111 concepts have been financed, and they've raised close to $50 million from approximately 36,000 unique participants. And some of the profits they've generated are clearly displayed. There are hundreds and thousands of percentage increases from numerous projects. Of course, they won't include those who failed or did poorly in this situation. Therefore, risks still exist. Currently, launches are taking place which you need to be aware of. You might want to check out Polkastarter. Engine Starter comes next on the list. I've lately witnessed some projects take off from this launchpad, and I hope they can succeed once more during the upcoming bull run. And they currently stand at about $0.004. When we see it in all time, we can see that they were introduced in October 2021. However, now from there down 99%, take out that $0.004 mark and the all-time high of almost 22 cents. This is still in the bull market, so we can't really compare this. Therefore, from the price that is now at hand, Engine Starter can be 50x. We now have TrustSwap as our next launchpad. Since its beginning in July 2020, it has grown by more than 100%, and on some days by 200%. So that occurred at or close to the beginning of the bull market. However, the price today is comparable to where it was right before the bull run. The bull run increased its value by about $5, or 40 times from this point. They continue to operate even during this bear market because they keep introducing new projects. You can view some of the projects they've started, including over 100x projects and some notable ones like SoulChicks, whose price nearly fell to zero. But still consider that 10x increase from their website. This implies that you would have at least regained what you originally invested if 10% of your tokens were to be sold at this 10x mark. Despite not making any earnings, you didn't incur any losses either. So, this is an opportunity for you. DAOmaker comes next. A couple of DAOmaker's launches have performed amazingly well. You can still see some of their gains even during this bear market. From 5x to 15x, 100x to 200x, and even 350x. This is displayed on their website. These are all the all-time highs, keep in mind. The risk involved in this situation may be that some of them are no longer worth anything close to this. The chart should surely be observed in action. You are free to sell whenever you choose. It's also crucial to keep in mind that you often have a time frame for when you invest in a pre-sale phase. If you get a total of 10, for instance, you might only have access to one of those tokens each month for the following 10 months. As a result, you won't start off with all of your tokens. However, in my opinion, if you hold 10% of your tokens on the day of the launch, you will be able to recover your initial investment if the price increases by 10 times. And DAOmaker is currently trading at about 80 cents. The record high was up at over $9, giving us a 10x or more. Additionally, the pricing is currently at its lows. Since the bull market was in full swing when this coin was created at the beginning of 2021, we lack much historical data on price movement. However, if this can return to the previous all-time high, which is almost 10 times where we are right now, then this is something to consider right now. Additionally, it offers you the chance to participate in projects that are just getting started. Finally, there is CDFI. This platform features both an NFT launchpad and an IGO or initial game offering launchpad. So, this is a launchpad for games. Although some of the ones you can see here have performed astronomically well despite a bear market, this has also had some results that weren't all that terrific. Therefore, CDFI performed excellently during the bull run. We can see that the previous record high was over $17, currently at roughly 7 cents. From where we are currently, this is a 20x increase. As a result, you could benefit from a 20x price increase in addition to having access to early-stage investments. The prices are roughly where they were prior to the bull run. Therefore, come the next bull run, and as we go potentially reach all-time highs, this is a great opportunity. Guys, I'll say it again. We have no idea what comes next. Based solely on historical data, it's possible that their all-time highs may recur. If not more, then perhaps it becomes nothing. That is something for which we must be ready. These coins may increase in value, but we are unsure. Although we are unsure whether the bull market will return, you might wish to take this into consideration in the event it happens. I hope I've given you guys some useful information. Share what launchpads you think should be on the list. Now, let us know what you think. Leave your comments below. We appreciate you for staying till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys clicked on the like and subscribe buttons and press the bell over there to turn on your notifications. Visit our channel for more coin predictions, Bitcoin, altcoins, and cryptocurrency videos. Have a great day and see you in our next video.